More choices are now available as a new travel option is now open in San Bernardino County. The new SB Express lanes on the I-10 offer 10 miles of travel for drivers by adding 2 new express lanes in each direction in the median of the I-10 freeway between the Los Angeles County line and the I-15 interchange. The SB Express lanes relieve congestion throughout the I-10 corridor to provide trip reliability and time savings for those who choose to pay a toll and use the new lanes. Drivers can enter and exit the lanes from multiple points on eastbound I-10 and westbound I-10, providing sufficient opportunity to reach various interchanges and destinations along the corridor. Toll pricing is dynamic and fluctuates based on traffic levels. For instance, when traffic is at its lightest, the tolls are at their lowest. As traffic increases, so will the toll price. This helps manage the demand for lanes to give drivers a more reliable trip time. Drivers can see toll prices displayed on signs at each entry point within the corridor. The price you see at the point of entry is the price you will be charged to travel to the posted destination. A Fast Track account is required for drivers to pay the lowest tolls on the SB Express lanes and qualify for any discounts. If you set up your Fast Track account with the SB Express lanes, your sticker transponder will read thetollroads.com because the Toll Roads is the SB Express lanes account and payment processing partner. Drivers without a pre-established Fast Track account can still use the new lanes and will be able to pay for tolls using the Pay Online feature within 5 days of their trip. Clean Air vehicles that are registered with the DMV and have a valid Fast Track account and transponder may use the lanes at a 10% discount. Carpools of 3 or more people traveling with a Fast Track Flex transponder set to the 3+ position can utilize the lanes toll-free at all times. Motorcycles may also use the lanes toll-free at all times. Save time with the SB Express lanes. For more information, visit sbexpresslanes.com. Buckle up for more choices ahead.